Push this up a little bit more. Wait, sorry. Grills are a form of expression. Just like tattoos, there's a uniqueness, and it's a status thing, you know?
I'm Danny Murphy, and we're here at Undegroundgrillz. We're gonna go up and check out what they're all about, and maybe I'm gonna get a pair of my own because they've done Madonna's, and I just want to be like her. Come on.
You know how many times I've casted, right? And the gold splattered.
Yeah.
I'm always burning someone. Trust me.
What's like the most popular color? People get gold or?
Either gold or silver.
I always wanted a gold tooth, So I saved up 60 bucks. They took a sheet of gold, bend it around my tooth, and just made a gold tooth. Didn't take my mold, anything. G was like, you know I can make gold teeth too, right? Right there, it was over. Me, I can't wax this shit. I'll tell you that. He was the master as far as creating. I took the other part, the business aspect. So I guess we kind of helped each other. He didn't know the business, I didn't know how to create a grill.
I love the kind of the pointed fangs, yeah.
You could put diamonds, you could put sapphire stones, there's yellow, there's white, there's blue, there's pink. There's never a task that we could say, hey, we won't do. Customer could come in and say, hey, listen, you know what, I want you to create like something dope, like a Gucci type of grill. You know, we're always trying to like push it to the next level.
Hi, how you doing? Could I do a venti cold brew black, please? Thank you so much. Now I'm gonna see if I can still drink my coffee, which I need to live with these on. Thank you so much.
It's more than just hip hop. I think it's more mouth art. The hip hop culture has embraced it as their own. So you have artists that come out or athletes that want to express themselves, and it doesn't make a difference what ethnic group you're from.
So I've had my grills for about a week now, and while they maybe make things like speaking and caffeinating a little difficult, there's so much more than that. I own something that nobody else has, and that's so cool. You're not getting that because it's comfortable or it's casual. You get it because it's a part of you and you want it to say more about you than you can with words. Do I have something in my teeth?